A question in the group, and it was asked of everyone, hey, do you expect your technician to follow the service information flow chart, or do you expect them to go above and beyond? And I will tell you that my belief is we should build our own testing routine. We should use the service information and the flow chart to understand the system, the automobile, understand how it works, gain that understanding, and then develop our own testing routine for the scenario at hand. I think that flow charts can be valuable and dangerous all at the same time. I don't think that they will give you the answers that you need every single time. And I think you have to understand the situation is dynamic and find the information that you need in that dynamic situation to solve the client's problem. So, number one for me, understand the client's concern. Number two, understand the system that you are testing. Number three, develop your own testing strategy based on the conditions. Duplicate the concern while testing, collect the data, and make a recommendation. Okay? Now in that case, a fuel pump was replaced, or maybe it was a fuel pump module or something else. Parts were replaced and the client's vehicle didn't get fixed. That, in my shop, if you tell me this is what's wrong with it and it does not fix the car, that is considered technician warranty, and that is considered a misdiagnosis. Ultimately, at the end of the day, the person who is saying this is what's wrong, if that does not fix the car, it is their fault. Now, is that a like huge deal? No. Buddy, let me tell you, I have had plenty of misdiags in my time. I have screwed some stuff up. I have made huge recommendations. But it doesn't change the fact that it was my fault, and it doesn't change the fact that the shop is now responsible for making that right. That's how we got a bad reputation, is we kept trying to say, well, you see, we had to do this first to do that. And there's cases where we have to do that, but it's pretty rare. Just my opinion, y'all. Y'all have a good one.